In Lesson 3.4, we learned how to solve an inequality using addition and subtraction. It's very much like solving an equation using addition and subtraction. The only thing that's different is instead of an equal sign, we have an inequality symbol. If we look at the inequality on the left, m plus 5 is greater than or equal to 10. What we need to do is we need to get that m all alone, so we need to get rid of plus 5. The inverse operation of addition is subtraction. So to undo adding 5, we subtract 5, and we must do the same thing to both sides of the equation, or the inequality. So the 5's cancel out, and we're left with an m on the left. On the right, 10 minus 5 is 5. Now we just bring down the symbol that's in the original inequality to our answer. M is greater than or equal to 5. Now in order to graph this inequality, we draw a number line, and the minimum that's required for these graphs is 3 numbers. So I suggest you start by putting the number in your answer in the middle of your number line, 5, and you need one number to the right of that and one number to the left of that. So this is the minimum number line that you need for this inequality. Now, since this is greater than or equal to, it includes the equal to, so that that means we need to color in our dot at 5. We call that a closed circle. And greater than 5 are the numbers that are to the right of 5. Now remember, this symbol here and the arrowhead should match. If we look at this example on the right side, our goal is to get x all by itself, so we have to get rid of minus 12. We do that by adding 12 to each side. So these 12's cancel out, and we're left with an x over here and a positive 2 on the left side. Now we bring down our greater than symbol. Before we can graph this, though, we have to rearrange our answer so that the x comes first and the number comes last. The variable needs to be first in order to graph it correctly. So if we are flipping the x and the 2 around, we also have to flip the greater than sign around, and it becomes less than. X is less than 2. So when we graph that, we make our number line. We put a 2 in the middle, one number to the left, one number to the right. This time, we are going to have an open circle because it does not include the number 2, and less than 2 are the numbers pointed to the left of 2. And again, this arrowhead and this symbol match, but only because we wrote it with the variable first.